Hi everyone, I go by the name of Roxy Rose, and this right here is Roxy Rose Guides Sinking Funds Stuffing for the month of May 2025. Yeah! Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back, y'all. I'm trying to get this video filmed before I put my baby down to sleep, so let me go ahead and do the best that I can as fast as I can. This is only going to be a sinking funds video, so I'm excited about this because I'm trying to stuff up as much as I can. As I mentioned before, I'm trying to go ahead and get us to fill these up so that we can go ahead and do a cash condensing, which probably needs to happen pretty soon. But, you know, in the meantime, if we can get this done, that would be amazing. So let's do the best that we can. If you want to support this channel and myself, please remember to like and subscribe below, leave a comment, and you can follow my other channels like Chic Unique Events, where I'm trying to get into event planning and other stuff I'm trying to get into. Y'all, I'm so excited. So when we get to that part, I'll go ahead and explain what's some things that have come to pass that really make me happy. Anyway, I hope you guys had a magical and wonderful... Oh my gosh. You scared me, Brooklyn. Brooklyn. A fabulous and wonderful Mother's Day. Oh my goodness. This girl always scaring me. Speaking of Mother's Day, we got Brooklyn in the background just making noise. But she wants to be with mommy, so... Alright, so we're going to try our best to make sure... I'm going to try my best to make sure I don't have to re-record after this. Alright, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there that's got to spend time with your family and got to go out to brunches, got to go to church, feel a little special. I'm happy I got to go to church. Brooklyn, no. Alright. I hope you guys had a marvelous and wonderful Mother's Day. I went to church, spent time with family, and my brother and father surprised me and showed up at the house, which is great. So I'm super excited about Mother's Day. It was really well needed. Although I forgot my phone. And that was something else, but I'm happy we got to do Mother's Day. I hope you guys had an amazing Mother's Day yourself. Let's go ahead and start with our emergency fund. Oh, wait. Hold up. We didn't count the money. Before we get started, let's count our money. Hello. That's important. All right. I'm going to count the money and put it here in the tray. All right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 500.
That's right. That's the nose.
56, 57. That's 700. 20, 40, 60, 80, 10. That's 800. 20, 40, 60, 89, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000. This is $1,000 right here. And 40 bucks remains. So $1,040 is what we're going to be stuffing today, okay, into our sinking funds. Let's see how that works out, okay? I'm going to slip this over here so y'all can see it. And as always, we always start off with Pearl, our wonderful, amazing, spectacular, glamorous Pearl. Hey, Pearl. All right, so we have our emergency fund. Let's go ahead and put $100 into this emergency fund. The world's at a crazy state. Let's put some money in the emergency. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right, then we have car maintenance. Car maintenance, I'm gonna put a good $20 into. to keep the car maintenance going. So that is $120. And what was an emergency? Emergency, I have a good $450. All right. At least we got a lot of money. Let's keep that up. Then we have home reno. Home reno, I'm going to put $20. As we know, the home reno is going to be plants. I haven't taken anything out yet because I really haven't gotten much of the plants that I really need to get. It is May, as you know, because my Mother's Day just passed. But yeah, I haven't gotten a chance to stop by Lowe's and get those plants, and I need to. So I have 100, 250. So 250 waiting for these plants. I got to hurry up. And we got vacation. It really is for travel. That's going to be $20. I'm hoping to travel, but we'll see what happens. We have $130. Okay, taxes. Let's put a good $20 in taxes. Let's be responsible citizens. You know what I'm saying? So we have $20 for taxes. It's my business. I'm going to go ahead and put a good 50 into It's My Business. Got a lot of stuff to pay back, which I still haven't done yet. But I definitely need to sit down and do that for this month and last month. Yep, for May and April, because I've been spending some money going into that inventory. And I definitely need to take it back out to pay it off. So yeah, 100, 200, 300, 400, and 70, 90. 490. Very close to 500, actually. Got that for It's My Business. Business taxes. We're going to put $20 into that. And last but not least, YouTube. YouTube, I found a way to go ahead and do this. So I'm using something to help me do all of my clips. I don't know if you've seen, I've done more shorts lately, and that has helped me. So I'm definitely putting some money into this to help me going forward. So I'm gonna put a good 20 into YouTube. So we got 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I'm excited about using something to help my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm trying to get paid this year. Can I do it? Yes, I can. All right, so here we go. Let's get into Bridget's. Bridget is tired of travel. She wants to just stay in Brussels or whatever she likes to visit. But she's so tired of staying in hotels that don't accommodate her like she likes. So she's back here with me. And we got 20. That goes into Christmas. So we have 100 and 50, 70, 82. 182 for Christmas. Then we have holiday. Holiday. What's the next holiday coming up? We have Mother's Day that just passed. So some of these are going to come out. What else? Let's see. We have holiday. Let's see. We have $150, $60. What's the next holiday? Our next holiday will be Juneteenth? No, Memorial Day. Memorial Day is coming up. And then we have Juneteenth. And then we have guess the 4th of July. I don't know. But there we go. Then we have birthdays. My birthday's coming up. So I want to put a bit 50 into birthdays. Okay, so we have, well, my birthday's not the only one coming up. Y'all, there's so many birthdays coming up. I need to put it in my head that this is no longer just for me and Kyle, but this is for like our whole family. So this needs to be for Brooklyn. This needs to be for the new baby. This needs to be for I need to put that in my head, the birthdays. It has to be like for all the family birthdays, because Brooklyn's birthday is coming in September and Kyle's birthday already passed. Brittany's birthday is coming in September, and the new baby is going to be born in July. So there's just a lot of birthdays coming up. So we got 100, 270. And my birthday in December. Then we have the anniversary, which will be fast approaching. So I'm going to go ahead and do this so that we already ready for the anniversary, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Already ready. We don't even need to look back at it, okay? Then we have self-love. I'm going to put a good 20 into this. That's $70. And then we're going to go into hair care. Hair care, I'm going to put $20 in there. We got $130 for hair care. Then we have Costco, which I'm going to add another $20 into Costco. 50. So 100, 200, 320. I need to go get gas. Costco, that's what I need to do. Get some gas. Shopping. I'm going to do it for $20. Y'all, the only shopping I've been doing is buying inventory for the business and groceries, which both have been extremely expensive. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so $150. And last but not least, we have gifts. Gifts, I'm going to put $50 into gifts because there's a bunch of birthdays coming up. My family and my family, or things that we have to prepare for. So gifts, there's just going to be a lot of gifts happening. A lot of people are graduating in general, but there's some people graduating in my family, and then we have birthdays coming up and other things, and they all require gifts. So I have 150. Then, not last but not least, let's support. Okay, $20. So that's going to be $110, $120. So that is it for Bridget. She gets to fly back in style, right? All right. I got to make a movement, y'all. Baby needs to sleep. Things need to move. And yeah. So I got to move this into a new location. Bear with me. All right, y'all. I had to change locations, but we are not done yet. All right, so you guys saw my cheat sheet. So next thing we have to do is we have to go ahead and do our... Next thing we have to do is Brooklyn's binder. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Brooklyn, she's going to get $20 in hers. So yeah, $100, $240 for Brooklyn. Baby care, which is all her stuff. I should have $50 to it, but I'm only going to do $20. So you have $100, $270 for baby care. And we have family fun. I'm also going to add another $20. All right. Okay, so now that we're done with Brooklyn's, let's go ahead and take out the new baby, the mystery baby that's coming out. For some reason I have a lot less over here, so I have to split some things up. All right, so this one, let's start at the end, actually. So let's start at the end. First thing is maternity leave, which is something I definitely make sure I have enough for. So maternity leave, we're adding 100 to it. That makes it $450 maternity leave. Then we have hospital, which would be $100 there. And then the next time you'll see the money's gonna go down again because I take out of here to pay for the bills for the deductible for that. So this is $350. And we have the baby furniture, which still not to even worried about so much, but it's gonna be $20. So that's $240. And then the baby shower. Decided we're having a baby shower and actually invited people, so we got $100 for baby shower. So $100, $200, $300, $20 for this baby shower to come. We have baby care, which is, I put $50 here, but I'm gonna put the 50 and take out the 20 because we need one more bill for the new baby. So that's $20 in there. That's 50, 100, 100, 50. It's $180. I'm gonna make it complicated. All right, so now we are completely done. We have done all of our binders and our sinking funds, and now we are officially ready for May. So, or I guess ready in May, right? So we officially have all of our binders done, ready for May. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this cash stuffing. I hope you guys have an amazing and wonderful May. I hope you guys are planting and doing things, watering your plants and getting everything together, because these summer months are going to come very soon, and I'm super duper excited to go ahead and get into these months. It's so hot. It's been up to 90 over here, so you know, you never know what the weather's going to be like. You wake up and it's like 50, 60, and then you go to work and you get out and it's like 70, 80 degrees, almost 90 degrees. So have a wonderful and amazing May. Happy Asian Pacific Islander American Heritage Month. Happy, well, anything else that you celebrate in May. You guys take care. God bless. And Roxy Rose out.